we already take the information of definition of flower and parts of typical flowers. In that, first one is the pedicel and second one is thalamus. Then we take the information of floral buds. So what is floral buds? When the floral leaves, they are arranged on thalamus in a cyclic or circular manner, is called as the floral buds. So here we already know the flower is a modified and contained shoot. And the different floral buds, they are developed from four nodes and there is the presence of three compressed internodes. Means each node that is the development of colorful leaves, and these colorful leaves that arrange in circular or cyclic manner is on a thalamus, which called as the floral buds. The floral buds is of two types. First one is the non-essential and second one is the essential. So non-essential buds is also called as accessory buds or helping buds or supporting buds. It is of two types. First one is the calyx and second one is the corolla. So first we take the information of calyx. Calyx is the outermost word of the flower. It is the first word of the flower. It is thin, delicate, and generally green in color. Individual member of the calyx is called as sepals. So this one is called as the sepals. When these sepals are free from each other, means not joined to each other, they are free from each other. For example, the rose. Then such type of calyx is called as a polysepalous calyx. And when the sepals are united or these sepals are joined together and form a conical structure, then such type of calyx is called as a gamosepalous calyx. Example, the datura. Then some calyx-like present below the calyx and they are formed by the bracteoles. It is a outside to the calyx and is formed by bracteoles is called as the epicalyx. There is a presence of near about 5 to 8 bracteoles and presence of calyx is a characteristics of the family Malvaceae. For example, you already know the family example of China rose. Below the calyx, there is a presence of 5 to 8 calyx-like structure and formed by bracteole is called as epicalyx. Another example is cotton lady's finger. Then, functions of calyx. So, first function of calyx is, we just see it is generally green in color. That's why they perform the function of photosynthesis. And during bird condition, which part we observe? Only the green part, means the calyx. So they give the protection to the inner floral buds. Okay. Then when they are colorful, then they attract the insect for the process of pollination. In bird condition, they also perform the function of prevent the rate of transpiration. Transpiration means what? Loss of water from the aerial part of the plant body. So in a bird condition, only which part is thin? The calyx is thin. Means from the floral leaves, the loss of water is not taking place. Means it prevents the transpiration. So this is the function of the calyx. Another non-essential buds is corolla. Corolla is present inner to calyx. It is the second whorls of the flower. It is delicate, brightly colored, fragmented, scented. So it is brightly colored. It is second whorls of the flower, and individual member of the corolla is called as a petal. So this one is the one petal, another. Then when the petals are free, they are not joined with each other, then such type of corolla is called as the polypetalous corolla. Example is China rose. In that flower, the petals are not joined, they are free from each other, and such type of corolla is called as a polypetalous corolla. And when the petals are joined with each other, see here, example is Datura. Here the petals are joined and they form the funnel-shaped structure. Then such type of corolla is called as a gamopetalous corolla. An example is Datura. So here, then we turn towards the functions of the corolla. So here, first function of the corolla is they are bright in color. That's why they are attract the insect for the process of pollination. They also perform the function of to protect the inner essential world in bird condition. Means another function is a protection. In that, there is the presence of scent glands. So they produce the fragment and they are helpful for attraction of the insect as well as it is helpful for production of the perfumes. So this is about the corolla. Then in some flower, the calyx and corolla, they are not morphologically separate. They are fused and form the structure. These are called as the perianth. It's called as the perianth. Generally, the perianth presents in monocots. So in dicots, the flowers are tetramerous or pentamerous. But in monocot, the flowers are trimerous. So what is the meaning of tetramerous and pentamerous? Means 4 or 5 buds are present in a flower. And trimerous means what? Only 3 buds are present. So here, in perianth, the in flower, that is the calyx and corolla is not separated from the single structure is called the perianth. Individual member of perianth is called as a tepal. When the tepals are united, then the perianth is called as a gamophilous. And when the tepals are free from each other, that is called as the polyphilous perianth. In some flowers, the perianth is looked like the calyx, means it is green in color. For example, Annona. Then this perianth is called as a sepaloid perianth. In some flower, the perianth is brightly colored like the petals. Then the perianth is called as a petaloid perianth. For example, Gloriosa. Functions of the perianth is protect the inner delicate walls. When they are cephaloid, they perform the function of photosynthesis. And when they are petaloid, means petal-like, then they perform the function of attract the insect for the process of pollination. Thank you.